Yeah, you just kind of like sit.
Thank you! What's up? Go, honey. You gotta say with me. What's up, Coco family?
We got the pig races here at Dell Osso Farms, where we're celebrating my dad's birthday. We go watch some pigs, run, take some corn dogs, take some corn,
And watch
get lost in the maze.
We out here. Get it, honey. It's cool I can wear my backpack too.
I look pretty hot in it.
Show my outfit of the day.
Look at that, turn around.
Alright y'all, so this is the first time we both zip line. And we go see how it goes. You nervous?
No.
I
wonder where my family is.
So, well, I don't know.
You guys ready? Alright, good luck. I'll drop your camera.
Thank you. No, hell no. Oh, is it just gonna pull me though?
Yeah, you just kind of like sit.
Thank you!
We didn't die, but I almost didn't stop. So I hit the hill pretty hard, and the guy was like, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, as I was coming in hard, and he barely caught me. So a little, you know, on the heavy limit side, but
it was fun. It was a nice rush.
Thank you.
Oh my god, I got like the biggest front wedgie in the world.
I was like, whoop, and he was like, yeah, it's gonna feel uncomfortable.